How to know who used my WhatsApp account? Do you want to know who you viewed your WhatsApp account chat? WhatsApp link devices feature allows users to use and run the same WhatsApp account in different phones. So how to know if someone else is using your WhatsApp account? In this video, I will show you how to know if someone used your WhatsApp account without your permission. So let us do start. First of all, open WhatsApp on your phone. Now tap on the three dots in the app's upper right corner. Then tap Link Devices. Here you will find all devices use your WhatsApp account. If there is no device, then this means that your WhatsApp is only activated on the current phone. So this is how to know who used your WhatsApp account. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to hit the like button below the video and share it with your friends. If you want more videos like this, then tap on the subscribe button and join us. Thank you.